Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. So as I have promised you guys that we will be starting the question answers video series and along with the comments section. Okay, so we're going to do a little different. Instead of me going and commenting on each approved comments, it's rather to talk directly about the comment and answer it directly through the video, because rather than typing, even by speaking, you will understand my tone of speech and what I'm trying to tell. So it'll be more easy for me to talk more rather than typing so much of essays for you guys. Hope you guys will like this series. Keep supporting like how we are supporting live trading. So I'll try to upload these type of videos around 3:30 or 4:30 in the afternoon Indian time, and live trading I'll try to upload around 8:30 or 9:30. Okay, so let's try to keep this consistent, and I'm trying to record this in mobile so that wherever I am outside I can still take up the phone and start recording, because laptop needs a high internet speed and a lot of time to edit. So this is more easier for me. Hope you guys will like it and support me. So we will start off without wasting time. So this is the video where I told you guys to put your comments. So we will start off the series. So daily I will choose 10 comments or questions and I'll try to answer. So daily I will try to answer 10 questions. So that will cover most of our questions, and only the questions which will impress me and which I feel comfortable will be approved. Rest spammers, sorry, no time. So the first question, so this is the first comment, that is something which I have pinned my Zerodha Upstock 5 paisa link for opening account. So first question, a big question by Abhilash. So he says, bro, after I am taking trade, when it goes down with the fear I sold it after the sale, it again goes into my direction. View in this way, I'm getting losses. How to overcome this? I'm a beginner, by the way, and also I'm slow in English. Please understand this. How to overcome my fear? Please reply. Sure, Abhilash, for you I'll speak a little bit slowly as it's difficult for you to understand English. So what you need to do is, this is a common mistake done by most of the beginners, and I also have done this mistake. Okay, so when it goes against me, I get afraid and I just exit the trade. Later, end of the day, the trade goes in correct direction and I'll feel, why did I exit? So this happens to you. This is because of lack of confidence in you and lack of practice and experience. So what you can do is, you can start doing virtual trading or paper trading, games. You can start playing this stock market games where you can put this duplicate money in a trade, and you need to wait for the day. Wait and see what happens to the trade. As per your strategy, pick a stock and wait for the day and see what happens. You will get a lot of confidence within a month. Okay, so once you get that confidence, then only try with your own money, not before that, because once you get that confidence and knowledge, you will know when to wait and when not to wait. So that is very important in the stock market. So be very careful and do that. Next, we have a comment by Karthik. So why you're not putting trailing stop loss and wait for a while and book your awesome profit? Definitely a good suggestion, Karthik. Definitely everyone can use trailing stop loss and wait for a while and book your awesome profit. You can do in the same way in long run. For currently, I'm just doing the videos for beginners and trying to exit for 0.3 to bring a discipline among everyone. And later, if they want to go beyond that, they can use trailing stop loss and start waiting and take a risk. And Likit says, bro, if I go long or short means it will hit stop loss. So please tell me when to buy and when to sell. Please. So for you, the answer would be, first go to my channel videos and watch the video how to select stocks in 6 ways. First, understand how you're going to stock or pick a stock. That is very important how you pick a stock. And next is very important, which direction you're going. When you're going which direction, you should consider the market. You have to consider the technicals. If you see, I see RSI where it is oversold, overbought. I see the candles. These are few things which will give you an idea that you need to go long or short, so that your stop loss won't hit and your target of 0.3 will hit first. Okay, so for that you start watching the video and look at my live trading videos. You'll get a better idea. Next, Naga says super in Kannada. I know I can read Kannada, so he says super. So thank you so much, buddy. I'll just what's that, like and heart. And Bhupendra says, I was expecting desperately for your video since evening. Thank you so much, Bhupendra. For the people who do not know Bhupendra, he is my one of my old subscribers from the start. He is there and he always supports me so much. I like it very much. So heart goes to him. Mr. Negi says, nice, I also made a handsome profit of rupees 6,400 in this trade. Thank you so much and God bless you. Dinesh Kumar says, marvelous video, Mr. Smart. Can you explain me how you are selecting the stock? What's that beta? So for the question, Dinesh, for the question, explain me how you are selecting the stock. That answer would be go to my channel and see how to pick stocks. There are so many videos on that. You'll get a better idea. And when I do live trading, you'll understand when did I pick and why did I pick. You'll get a better idea. So go through those things and see if it is helping you. And what is beta? Definitely, I will be making a video on beta. Beta is very important in intraday trading. That will help make you understand that how much the stock can go more than the market. For basic understanding, just put beta on Google and search. You'll get the basic definition, and I will try to explain in one of my video beta, because in intraday beta also is considered most of the time. So Ashu says, bro, could you tell importance of depth? I mean, go for long, only buyers are more than sellers. Sometimes notice that stock goes up even if sellers are more. What I see, to be frank, I don't see much of depth. I only see depth just for a confirmation that is it good or not. And also I see depth when it comes to the buy side and the sell side. If you see the quantity, if it can break that bigger quantity, if there is a lot of quantity put in particular number, then I will try to exit for that particular moment. Or if there is very less number, then I'll get a clue that yes, the stock is gonna go up top. So these are things I use for my intraday trading. I don't use much of depth. Yes, depth also helps you. There's a different ways of trading with depth chart also. So this is why I use basically. Okay, so this would be the last question for this today, and rest questions I'll be doing in tomorrow's videos. So what else I can say, bro? As usual, your predictions are just super awesome. And my question is, after selecting the stock smartly, how do you determine the entry and exit level? Hope my question will be answered, as it will help me a lot. Thank you. First of all, thank you so much for the nice comments. As I told you, comments which will impress me definitely will be answered. And your question is, so how do you determine the entry and exit level? So you know that we are selecting the stock smartly. So what is the entry? See, when you select the stock itself, I don't select the stock saying that today the stock will go. I select the stock considering now the stock will move. Based on that only I choose the stock. That is the main idea behind this. So entry level is, if you've seen, I always take the current level as the entry level, because I know from now the stock can move a bit. That is the reason I'm going to take the stock. So that is the entry level. And exit level, as most of whole of India will be knowing, that the 0.3% technique what we use, this is the basic level to get consistent profit. Okay, so you can put 0.5%, 0.6%, 1%. So every day the stock will not move from the entry level. It won't move 1% every day. There are days it goes 0.5, 0.6, 0.7 and goes opposite also. Considering all these factors and considering the brokerage which I give in Zerodha, that is 40 rupees on buy and sell, that's it, and rest is all government charges which every broker will charge the same. So this is the amount I'm paying. So considering 0.3% profit, that is more than enough, and that is the reason I keep that as my exit level. Hope these answers helped you guys, and if you guys have more questions, please keep on putting on the latest your questions on the latest videos, so that I keep completing from this video. I keep completing the comments and I go to the next above video. So kindly comment accordingly, so I'll definitely answer. Hope you guys like such videos. If so, please hit that like and share these videos so that I can make more series of videos like question answers, comments, and also live trading videos. Thank you so much for your support. Love you guys. Bye bye. Take care.